Hello food lovers, welcome back to Jacinta's kitchen. Today we are making something crispy, golden and so delicious. Homemade potato wedges. These wedges are so soft on the inside, crunchy on the outside, and trust me, once you try them, you keep making them again and again. Let's get cooking. I'm going to start off by peeling our potatoes. I just realized I had, quite a number of potatoes. So we will start by peeling off our potatoes. Now we're going to wash our potatoes. Like we're going to wash them well so that we're not left with any dirty potato or something. So rule number one, you have to wash them very, very well. And now we are going to cut our potatoes into wedges, 4 to 6 pieces depending on the potato size, because you see the big ones I did 6, but the small ones I did quite 4 or even 2 depending on the size of the potato. And we have our wedges. As for here, we're going to add water. Yeah, just like that. And then now we are going to add in half a spoon, yeah, of salt. Now our water is okay. We're going to add in the wedges. Yeah. Now we are going to let them cook just until tender. Now we are going to use fork to check, and yeah, they're okay. So removing the wedges and placing them into a kibesheni. Oh my goodness, inaitwaje kitu? And here we are. We're going to rinse with cold water. We're going to rinse in cold water rather, so that when you're cooking itakuwa jabaki moja moja, you get it. Yeah, so we're going to drain the water. This is it. We've rinsed, and now we're going to coat it with garlic powder. And next we're going to add our all-purpose flour. Then toss until they are evenly coated. Yep, and just like that. We are going to heat oil in a pan. Now it's ready. We're going to fry the wedges one by one until golden brown and crispy. Yeah. In the excess oil on a paper towel, and just like that, look at them. A fan of eggs. We're going to fry 2 eggs so that we will enjoy our wedges with fried eggs, and the simple dipping sauce or ketchup. There you have it, perfectly crispy potato wedges served with eggs and a little sauce on the side. Simple, tasty, and absolutely satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Jacinta's Kitchen for more easy and affordable recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and see you in the next video. Bye.